Hello. Okay, so last semester we focused a lot on the production of a conceptually accurate signing. So this semester we are going to be focusing on ASL 2 English, voicing the conceptually accurate signing that a deaf person is doing. I'm going to sign 16 sentences with two different categories. 8 for the word buy and 8 sentences for the word call. I want you to watch my signing, but pay very close attention so that you can include the words buy and call. You must do so in order to receive credit. This is going to help us match my ASL signing with more idiomatic English. Number 1. I want to drive by my old house so I can see it. Number 2. Will you put your shoes by the door? Number 3. Money is very, very tight right now. We are barely getting by. Number 4. He does everything by the book. Number 5. When the power went out, he just read and studied by candlelight. Number 6. Enrollment at the daycare went up by leaps and bounds. Number 7. News spread by word of mouth. You must return the book by this Monday. So now we're starting call. And number 9 is that they plan to call their baby Danae. Number 10. Every Sunday night, I call my parents. Number 11. The recipe calls for 4 eggs. Number 12. When Fiona was all ready to go to the prom, her date's name is Evan, called for her at 7. Number 13. The group decided to call it a day after 9 holes. They didn't feel like golfing anymore. Number 14. The baseball game was called off due to rain. Number 15. The president called the meeting to order. And lastly is number 16. The last sentence for the word call. Number 16 says that Hannah was called out for always being late to work. Her boss did not like that. Alrighty.